Hello boys and girls. Earlier today I was working on repairing this red Sony CFS Japanese domestic model, okay? And I had to take parts from this radio back here to make this work, basically the tuner, okay? And this is and by the way, today is, later in the day, it's what, 1702, February 11th, 2023. Okay, there we go. So that's like that. Now, like I said, I put this thing all back together. I got it, let's see, had this thing over my shoulder. I'm right here. Okay, yeah, so anyway, this is a Sony CFS-W50. It says so right there. Anyways, okay, so this one here, if we get a power supply, which is right here, plugged into that thing back there, and we plug this in to power, and if we get a cassette, let's see here, eject, get this, and we had problems putting this in here earlier, but try it again, just won't play. Okay, I'm having too much fun. Let's try a different tape. Found a different tape here that has got some, I'm not sure, but it won't play that either. Wow. I'm just having too much fun with this thing. Will it do that, do that, it'll do that, hit play, it, well, I do know the radio works.
Around forever. When Dad were born, the Super Bowl wasn't...
Right, so much. Super Bowl is going to be happening. Why won't this thing play? I got a new belt in here. I went through all kinds of stuff to get it to work. It does rotate. It's rotating there. It just won't play a cassette. What do I do with the other cassette? Here, here's this cassette again. There we go. Anyway, so much of that. It plays, okay, great. It's cantankerous to play with, but it does work. It's got, you know, it's got this one extra button. I don't know what that does, but there it is. It's got a 5-bit equalizer. And like I was playing with the other phone here, which is still playing, okay? You can't see it because it's, you know, it's already in play mode, but I've got the music going, so if you put it on radio mode, right, go back to radio. Stick that in like that, then you can play whatever you have plugged into your phone, which I have playing something right now. And you can run the bass up and down, and so you've got no bass, lots of bass, pull the bass down, you know how it works, you know how it works, right? Okay, so anyway, so this is a great, it's a multicolored Sony CFS-W50. It's just multicolored. That's what attracted me to it. It's got gray on yellow with yellow here, and then black, and then red, and then aqua, and then blue, and it's a gray overall case, right? Okay, so let me take that off, unplug the power because I don't have anything in here. It does take, you know, 6 C batteries to go in there, all right? And it's got the, you know, the battery cover, okay? And I have, let's see, I only brought, okay, this is a Japanese domestic model, all right? Then here is the one that I repaired, which is now got a, let's see, well, let's go back to this one here. This one here is a, the one that I cannibalized the tuner from. So now, if you see the tuner here, right, it just rotates to no end. Okay, of course I put the guts thread back in here, but the string is now, the guts of it came out of this one here. I put it in there, And so now it's, I still have a good knob. I see a lot of these out there missing this knob for some reason. So anyway, that's all I'm going to say. Now this one does still work, okay? I did tune it to one station, okay? So I'm going to plug in power. Okay, I tuned to the one station. So it's on one station, you can turn it off. All right, that's on tape mode now. There's no tape decks, right? Now it's on tape like that. Now, if we take this here again, and we're still playing stuff on the phone, all right? So we'll put it back in there. We'll take this and we will shove it into the line-in. And now we're playing from the phone, okay? You can wake up the phone. Wake up the phone. And we're playing what? Momentum. You can play that. You can play this. I'm bored to death playing stuff on the phone, but anyway. I just want to show you that this one here still works, okay? But we're going to put this back on the... We know it's good for a speaker for line-in for testing other stuff if I need to, so that's how I'm going to keep it. It doesn't have a battery cover. It doesn't have an antenna. Okay, so anyway, my little bit of fun here. So there goes that. No more sound. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the pièce de résistance, right, which is the red one here, which I have finally repaired. And so now this one does not, or you know, it doesn't spin like it did before when I first got it. It's red. It's a Sony CFS-W50. It says so right there. I don't know if you can see that in the right kind of shine or whatever, but there, can you? There, does that show it up pretty well? I don't know, but that's what it is, a Sony CFS-W50. So this is a Japanese domestic model. And I did put my, like that, you know, they opened real nicely, you know, like that, okay. And then I did put my, here, you can see my lap, yeah. Okay, I did put my Znter batteries in. Let's see. Let me rotate these up to where it says Znter. Oh, there we go, Znter. Here, wait, Znter, and, well, that's good enough. Okay, so it says Znter. Okay, so these are the original versions, the green ones, which are the lowest power. They're only 3,000 milliamp value of longevity and so on and so forth. But they output 1.5 volts. They're rechargeable with a micro USB, and they're anyway. So anyway, they're in there. So now, and then of course the radio works. See, wait, radio, and we can tune it now. So, you got stereo light right there. And it's got AM. There's AM. Got FM. And it's got TV. I don't know what's on TV because we don't get TV over the radio over here, but maybe I can get something, I don't know. But we've got FM. Oh, there's FM.
Plus, they'll visit at a convenient time.
I don't know why it doesn't say operation on battery, but it's because it's running on battery, but I don't care. I know it's running on batteries because there's no power plugged into the end here, so that's something I'm just now noticing, but who cares? Anyway. So much for that. Now, again, I'll just put it back on that mess. Take the phone with you.
I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took a red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?
It's like that, and of course you can adjust the, the bass. Of course, you can take the, now remember this didn't play really well, right? You can take that out and throw it up in here, okay? You can hit play. Then you can take this tape here, which I found somewhere. This came in one of the machines I got. Nothing on the front, nothing on the back, but if we play it, okay, in here, turn that off. And just so we know this really being played, it's that one there. Whoops. That. And this tape deck takes precedent over this one, so hit play on, whoops, hit play, hit stop, they're both in play mode. That one takes precedent. So, I mean, this one takes precedent, so if we hit play on this, right, it goes back to that one, not this one. But it doesn't have relay play. Maybe it does, I don't know. Of course, you can go back to the radio. This is, the phone thing here, right? So here's the phone thing again. And how it's supposed to feel. Let's see here. You can 28, 29. What is good? About that. And then of course I've got the black one, right? So the black one here is the American version. It just doesn't have that extra little button, which I don't know what it does. It's got the same buttons on the end, And I put some, I found some alkalines that fits, so this has got alkalines in there. See the alkalines? All right, so. Still playing the tape, so turn that all off. We take this and put this on radio. So we got tunes out of the radio. We put this in the line-in. And I don't know how I'm going to title this video, but there's that playing that. This one does have operation battery and of course FM stereo, but we're not playing the stereo, we're playing the phone. Of course we can see here. We can unplug that. So now we got stereo sound, whatever that is. Okay. So here's this. That's going on. And this one here, again, like the other one. This one plays tapes. Let's see here. That, this, right. That was okay. And then tapes out of here. Drop that in there. Drop this in here. That, this. Hit play. Hit play, put it on that, so, and then just, so, this will play, this one's just hard to open for some reason, so that plays, that works, these here is, on this one here, like that. And then here, and then that, and then throw that in, hit play. So we got that, or we can go back to this Chinese music. Wait, one button here, that, hit play. Okay, so it's like, yep, there we go. Trying to figure out how to hold this thing straight up to the camera. So hopefully I didn't play the radio long enough on the one song and then have to get a hoo-ha on this whole video. But anyway, this is all without having the computer on. Have not had the computer on all day. The phone's been beeping, but that's okay. So what have I done? 19 minutes or 9 minutes? I can't see the display. 16 minutes. Okay. All right. Well, had fun. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. I got more videos to try and service, repair, and all that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.